If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making more than 100 holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we are going to be making Bundia Ladoo. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are: take some cloves in one black cardamom and make a powder of it, from which we need about half a teaspoon of that. Then half a cup of gram flour or besan, 2 tablespoons of clarified butter or ghee, a quarter cup of sugar, a quarter teaspoon of salt. Now in a large bowl, take all the besan, powder, ghee and salt along with 1/3 cup of water. Then combine these really well. Then let it rest for at least 15 minutes. Now take lots of ghee or oil in a pan and set the flame on high. Then using a skimmer, pour the droplets of batter into the hot oil. But remember, do not add too much of it, else they will stick to each other and will be hard to remove. So once they are all fried, remove them to a bowl. Then in another pan or a saucepan, add the sugar along with 2 tablespoons of water and bring that to boil till all the sugar dissolves. Then to that, add all the fried bundi and coat them really well. And after a couple of minutes, switch off the flame. Now apply some ghee on both of your palm, and while the mixture is still warm, take a small portion like this and shape it like a ball. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad Bundia Ladoo. So do try this at home and share your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.